Hey guys, back again. It is the 22nd of um, September 2024. Davin, by the way, out of tradings. So today we're just going to be doing a weekly Nasdaq, just like building up to the week, just to see on how Nasdaq is going to be moving about within the week ahead. Um, so we'll jump right straight into it, just to show you on how we'll be putting on our psychological levels within the market as we move now. So, uh, moving to daily, just going to be placing some of the zones, psychological zones. Just to give clear context of how which direction the charts will be moving at approaching this week. Last week was a little um, so a lot of momentum build up in the upside, which is good because we can finally see Nasdaq is actually starting to pump up in price, trying to actually push up within the zones that we highlighted. As is. Mm, okay, let's move into the forearm. Mm, So we're just gonna place in just zones within the 4 hour and as well as just showing in some areas where we can be able to just look out for this week. Right, okay. So moving on to the candlestick, as you can see, a lot of upside has been actually just been moving throughout the charts. I will pull out the Elliott wave tool. I'm not mention again that I'm not using it um, for um, to exactly jot down the structure in which it's actually used for, but I'm just going to be showing you in terms of just market structure, just in general of what we can actually see within the chart. So we've been seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows move up, and what we're expecting coming this week is for price to actually touch within this area here, going into the 20,000s. So we've been seeing really like good momentum build up as it's being pushed up. And as you can see within this area that we're going to be highlighting here, mm, this area right here, we've been seeing nasdaq do a slight pullback, which is respecting this area zone and actually going to continue pushing up as is. You can see there's a little bit of a rejection with these two candlesticks on the daily support line. So, which will be probably expecting, just like looking through on the daily time frame, that we could possibly maybe expect candlestick just to maybe retest again, do a pullback, break the wick, and then shoot up. Same, I guess, on the weekly. You see on the weekly, candlestick volume is pretty intense. So what we could possibly see is just a slight pullback, creating that wick within the zone that we just highlighted here, and then shooting up straight to the 20,000s. But obviously, we also do see that there's actually quite a lot of rejection around this area here. This zone here. This temperature in this area, there's a lot of rejection and everything. So if price can potentially break this zone here around this area, you can get to see a full candlestick of volume being shown in volatility. We can be able to tell that like there will be upside movement moving straight up to 20,000, breaking through into higher highs. But yeah, that's just my quick summary of how things are looking about with US100. We can look through US30. Let's look through US30. So US30, just delete all joins. Same through on going back into the daily. Because US30 isn't much volatility in that, we'll have to move into scaling through the 4 hour. So just jot in our 4 hour resistance lines. This is stabilization result. So because you can see there's a lot of wicks that were respecting this area. So there's one wick, two, three, four, five, six, seven. We can include this as a 4 hour resistance here. Just to place in. And then in this area as well, two, one, two, three, five, six. This area as well, two. And yeah, this is how you can highlight the last top, which is up top here. So just looking at price movement as is, we are seeing higher highs and higher highs and higher lows. If we were to just so I think let's just like we just jot down a couple of few levels within this area here. Mm, mm. Alright, so move on to the candlesticks. Just pull out our Elliott wave. So as you can see, there's a double bottom that had been created within this area here, which we tested. So we'll do is that we'll place price here. So retest within this area. Move up top here. Pull back. Shut up. So there's higher highs and higher lows that have been created within this one. Just jotting down on the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, has been a little bit of a retest. What we could be expecting though, because US30 actually didn't respect the same area that that I thought it would be respected uh, within the pullback. This could be a very crucial zone in where maybe US30 could potentially make a little pullback and retest this area. So just looking back on the higher time frames, as you can see, there could be a potential maybe just pullback. Looking maybe on the weekly, there's massive volume within the candlesticks being shown. So these two candlesticks are very much so confirmations and showing you that moving through going into the week, we could see some really, really massive momentum moving up to the upside and breaking all-time high records. So what I could be expecting is possibly so, if there's no upside, breaking up this level here, which is 42,130, could possibly see maybe a retest around 41,745, retest within this area, pull back, and straight shooting up to all-time highs. So yeah, that's just my view on how things will be looking like for this coming week. I hope this video is helpful to anybody that's viewing. Please do like, share, comment if there's any feedback that you'd probably want to give. And I'm gladly so just communicating with anybody that's within the industry and just wants to actually just share any knowledge and feedback that would be useful. Thank you for watching.